Hey everyone, this is Eric Siu, and today we're going to give you a quick rundown of how Pinterest advertising works and how you can grow with it. So without further ado, here's someone from the team. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, Sabina here from Single Grain, and I'm excited to talk to you guys today about Pinterest advertising. So what's so great about Pinterest is that it provides a lot of visual inspiration and ideas for almost any type of product. So popular, in fact, that it attracts an average of 200 million active users a month. Now that is a whole lot of eyeballs. There are a couple ways that you can target on Pinterest. We first have interest targeting, keyword targeting, and audience targeting. My favorite is keyword targeting for several reasons. One, you can get your ads in front of people who are actively searching for ideas, much like Google search. And number two, keyword targeting has more to do with the pinner's overall Pinterest behavior than their in-the-moment search, meaning that you should go broad with your keywords. So if you have keywords that are too tight and exact, you limit the amount of impressions that you could be getting. And if you need help to source any of these longer tail keywords, you can type in your main keywords into the search bar, and Pinterest will then shoot out a bunch of relevant keywords that also will pertain to your target audience. Now, there are a couple ways that you can optimize your campaigns on Pinterest. A few key metrics that you should be aware of are your click-through rate, engagement rate, conversions, cost per conversions, and your return on ad spend. So one really important thing to note is that the Pinterest algorithm optimizes for click-through rates and not for conversions. So that means if you have a campaign where the goal is to get conversions, then it's important to keep in mind that although you may see a high click-through rate in Pinterest, your down funnel data may be showing you a different story. So make sure that you're optimizing for your main objective and not letting Pinterest make that decision for you. Now, there are a couple of different ad types that you can use on Pinterest. We have promoted pins, which show up natively in the user's feed. And then we have my personal favorite, One Tap, which allows a user to go directly to your website with one tap where they can either learn more or make a purchase. It's really important that you keep in mind these 4 key factors that Pinterest will take into account on whether or not your pins will be shown. With domain quality, what Pinterest is doing is that it's going to look at your website to see how popular your pins are on your actual website. And then with pin quality, Pinterest is looking at how popular your pins are on the actual platform. Next, we want to look at pinner quality, which in a sense rates you as a content creator, and so how actively you are as a pinner and how your content is being received. And lastly, we have relevance, which is how closely your pins fit to your audience's overall interest and search history. There's a quick overview of Pinterest advertising. Thanks, guys. Back to you, Eric.
All right, so that's it on Pinterest advertising. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you like videos like this, if you want to continue to learn more, just go ahead and hit subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.